Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit your town in Township. So whether you're aiming for a complete overhaul or just a minor tweak, I'm going to walk you through how to edit your town layout effectively in Township. So to begin customizing your town, go ahead and tap on the blue arrow icon located at the left side of your screen. Okay, so this icon grants you access to the edit mode. Okay, so if you check the left corner of your screen, you're just going to see your own icon. All right, and if you click on this edit mode, it's just going to take you here where you can now edit your profile. But we don't want to edit profiles, right? We're not aiming for editing profiles. So what we want to do is to edit the entire town. And how to edit the town is to long press. So go ahead and long press any of the items in your town. So tap and hold any building or decoration for a few seconds to enter the edit mode directly. So for example, I'm going to tap on that building. So that's it. So once in the edit mode, you'll notice several tools at your disposal, including options to move, rotate, store, and delete items. Now all of these are so let's say I take it here, I move it out of there, I put it here. So touch the building and everything is going to be out, and then you have an empty layout. So you can now move this to any of the parts that are available, or you can just go ahead and just keep on moving. So once in it, so like I said, you have disposal, including options to move, rotate, and and store and delete items. So temporary storage is a handy feature that allows you to declutter your town during redesigns. Now some of these features you may not be able to access them because of your level, so I cannot really access the temporary storage. But tap on any building or decoration, then select the arrow icon to move the storage. And to store all items of a specific type, tap the blue icon in the upper left corner with any storage category. Now this mode enables you to select and store multiple different items simultaneously by tapping on them. You see that that icon is now available to me. So before exiting edit mode, ensure all building essentials are placed back in your town. Only decorations can remain in the storage when saving your layout. So let's say this, I want to move this, and I'm just going to click on it and click on this. This is to actually rotate it. All right, and this one is to ensure that the layout is clear enough to know where I want to move it. And then you have X and you have go to grid to actually confirm your changes. So other tools are not at my disposal for now. So to rearrange your town's elements, just like I said, move and rotate, tap and drag the buildings or decorations to your desired location. Select the item and tap the rotate icon there to change its orientation. Now this flexibility allows you to experiment with various layouts until you find the perfect fit. So you can also, if you are in the level that allows, you can edit roads and pavement, and that's just pretty much it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.